Centrotherm presents Heated Conversation. Talking plumbing and HVAC with people who mostly know nothing about either of them.
Describe what you're experiencing.
Man, but this, I don't know, maybe it's not, what is it, rock salt? No, it's not rock salt.
Limestone.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. So why am I holding this? What is?
We knew you'd be game when we saw you guys. You're having a good time over here. Who's your tattoo artist?
Brandon Drowned at Safe Word Tattoo in Schenectady, New York.
Looks like you're a big fan of the color, I see. We're all, look at this guy over here. We're all colored up. All of us over here, so.
I got the black and white.
Oh, love it too. You're hiding it back there.
Yeah.
Fantastic. All right, here's a harder one.
Oh, some kind of outlet insert cover.
What would you be inserting? Or outletting? Everybody just says everything's a filter. We gotta be more creative with these parts that we bring.
Like it fits in a pipe or some kind of maybe output from a dryer. Leaves or something?
Close. What kind of water heater do you have in your house?
You mean like brand or like?
Yeah, brand.
I don't know.
Do you have any BTUs?
No.
Natural gas?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
We're just out here literally around. This is, we make most of all this type of stuff, but I don't want to do this one for you because it's basically obviously a given now that you know that it's plumbing, whatnot. So, are you going to go home and read the label on your water heater now?
I actually probably will. Yes.
Do you guys know about it?
What are you talking about?
What does Centrotherm mean to you, sir?
It means I can have all my exhaust vacated from my house with the gray pipes and not the white pipes, because the white pipes are going to kill me over time. It's the gray pipes that Canada has put into their code, but America has not.
Honestly, though, how do you know?
Always say hello.
You know Joe?
Man, this is exciting.
That's amazing.
So Martin had ProTech. When they moved out, we helped Martin build that building down there on 400. And then, and then you guys moved to Waterford. Out of my face!
Sorry about that.
They're all dead to me.
Kevin, thanks so much, man. That's amazing. Appreciate that.
No, all good stuff. Don't you always say hello? We can't wait to welcome you guys back to Albany County in the near future.
Fantastic.
Hopefully, if I sell enough, we'll need a bigger building.
That's what I want to hear.
There you go.
Selling, bro.
Amazing.
You got the Yankee hat. You're already a winner.
I'm ready.
What are the odds of that? What are the odds?
You can make up whatever you want. Here, that's the first one. Go ahead.
Okay, I would think this is like a feeding tube.
All right, so this is a component for venting high-efficiency combustion equipment.
Okay.
This is actually where you would test. So if you got a boiler, furnace, water heater in your house, this is where they would put their analyzer in to make sure that everything's running properly.
Okay.
Do you know what kind of water heater you got in your home?
No.
Not many people do.
I would say I wouldn't. I wouldn't even know. I don't even know where my water heater is.
You don't even know where it is?
No.
Oh, man, that's wild. We'll go with this. What is this?
Okay, without feeling it, I would think it's a stovetop. Since it's plastic, I would probably think it's like a crumple cookie cutter.
That is a good guess. That one I like. That's my new favorite. We got birdhouse for this thing over here, so you can't guess that.
Birdhouse.
That's a good one. So this goes in the end, and similarly related, there's a good segue there with the birdhouse piece. This is called a bird screen. This goes on the end of the exhaust pipe to stop anything from getting into your pipe and into your boiler.
Okay, that makes sense.
What do you think this is? Feel free to open it up and take a look inside if you want.
This would kind of scare me. I would think this is like a dozen eggs, like of some type of insect.
I like that you're giving us like mad scientist vibes. I don't think we were giving that off, but maybe Matt. Matt looks like a mad scientist, right?
So this is a condensate neutralizer. When your high-efficiency equipment fires off, it creates condensate, and that condensate is acidic. You run the acid through this and puts out clean water on the other side. The limestone filters it, and then you put clean water out. So you're not putting acidic water into like city pipes or anything and corroding the pipes outside your house.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Or it's
Or it's a birdhouse.
Or a birdhouse. It was a pleasure. Thank you for taking the time. Appreciate you.